Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Cloudfare to your website in order to make it more faster. So first thing you need to do is to register with cloudfare.com. Just go to cloudfare.com and create an account with them. So once you create an account and you log in, it's going to take you to your dashboard. So my Cloudfare dashboard is actually loading now. So I'm waiting for it to load so that I can make use of it and I explain what I want to do in this video. So now this is my Cloudfare account and these are the websites I have added to the account so far. So once you have logged in to your Cloudfare account, you've registered and you have logged in to bring it to this home page. But in your own case, you will not be seeing any website here. You will not be seeing anything here. This place is going to be blank. So just come to this place. You have add a site button. Click on it to add any site you want to add. So let's say I want to add okay. Okay, let's say I want to add my website, Crown Tech. I'll just click on the website here. Can you see? I'll click on it and click on continue. So once I click on it and click on continue, these are the list of plans that we have. We have the pro version, the business version, the enterprise. So then we have the free version. Just click on the free version and click on continue. So once you click on this and you click on continue, it's going to load for you like this. So let's wait and see. So it has bring us to this place. Now the first thing you need to do is to change the name server of that your domain name. So you click on overview. When you click on overview, it's going to show you the name server that you are going to use on that domain name. Now this is the overview and this is the name server. Originally the name server on that domain name is ns3 office host and ns4 office host. Now what you need to do is replace it with this Cloudfare name server, which is the first name server and the second name server. Now to do that, just let me open another tab. Here. So when I open another tab, I'm going to go to my hosting account to change the name server. So let me go to my hosting account. Then I click on this place. Now I'm going to log into my hosting account. So once I come here, once I log into my hosting account, I'll look for, so different hosting have their own way to navigate. So but what I want to look for here is to look for my domain. So I'll search for Crown Tech. So I just want to change the name server connecting to that domain name. So I'll click on Crown Tech. So you can see the domain name is here. Then I'll right click. Then I'll click on manage name server. So you can see here now we're having, as according to the Cloudfare record, we're having ns3 and ns4. So here we need to change it to what this Cloudfare says we should change it to. So let's wait for it to load again. That is why it is good to use your system while doing this, but you can as well use your phone too. So click on copy. Let me copy the two. So when you copy the two name server, come to this place, paste the first one. So the first one is this. Why this is the second one? Then you change the name server. Now I've changed the name server successfully. So I'll come back to this place now. That's for that place. Now click on this DNS, where you have this DNS, and click on records. So when you click on DNS and when you have records, then you come to this place. Now you are going to change some two things here. Now the first one is this MX Crown Tech. So this last one, MX Crown Tech DNS only. Then you just click on edit. When you click on edit, then put mail in front of that your domain name. Mail, like MAL, then dot. It should be mail dot, so that this will enable any email that is being sent or that is being going out from your website to be successful. If not, it will not be successful again. Then the second thing you need to do is come to this place. You have CNAME. You have three CNAME here: the FTP, the mail, and the www. Now for the CNAME, just come to the CNAME and click on edit. You understand? So just change it from here. Click on A. So once you click, change the CNAME to A, then copy this IP address, copy it, then paste it here. So once you do that, change this proxy status to DNS only. So I click on it, it changed to DNS only. Then you click on save. So once you done that, now that I've saved for that part. Now the next thing is to check the SSL and TLS status. Once you click on this place, click on overview. Now when you click on overview, make sure that this thing remains on full. Do you understand? Make sure it remains on full, and you can check this place just to make sure it is secure. Then this edge certificate, click on the edge certificate. Now it will take you to this place. Now if your site is using an automatic redirection, you don't need to turn on this HTTP. I mean this. If your site is already being redirected, you don't need to turn on this. But if your site is not redirected automatically from your cPanel, you can click on it and on it, because if it redirected before and you turn it on, it will be showing too much redirection and it will not load. So just turn it off. Then that's that on that. Then you come to this speed. Now this speed have a lot of things here you need to do. So the first thing is go to speed, then optimization. This will actually make your site more faster. Then enable available settings that it is required. Then come to content optimization. Under this content optimization, this rocket loader, switch it on. Then this three thing, make sure you click on it. So this will actually minify your website. So if there is a JavaScript that is making your site to slow down, it will minify it. It will make your site load, then probably before the JavaScript now load up. So then the next thing we need to do is, let's check this security. Okay, there's nothing there. So next thing we need to do is just come to this caching. Click on caching, click on configuration. So once you click on configuration, change this to 2 minutes or something lesser. Then click on always online. So once you are done, click on purge everything. Now this purge everything will make your site take effect immediately. So click on purge everything. So can you see successfully purge access? Please allow 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, all these changes you have made is going to take effect. Now the next thing is for you to log into your cPanel to make these changes. There are some changes you need to make from your cPanel. So let me log into my cPanel. So just log into your cPanel and come down straight to under this domain. You see what we call zone editor. So look for this. Make sure you look for domain. Under domain, you search for zone editor. So click on zone editor. So once you click on zone editor, now we have this is the one we are working on, Cloudfare concept. Click on manage. So when you click on manage, now look for where you're having mail, the CNAME that contains mail. Now this is it. This is the type CNAME, then the name is what mail. So that's what we want to edit. Just click on edit, change the CNAME to a record, then this IP address you copied, then paste it here again, then save it. So once you have done that, everything will be back to normal. Now then there are two ways. If it is .com, it will take effect immediately. Like if I click on it now, if I click on Cloudfare and go back to my home page, to my dashboard, you see that it will take effect, like it will be active immediately. Where is it? Current tech. Now you can see this is it here. This is it here. So this is it here. So you see that it is what? It is active immediately. It is active immediately. But unlike .com.ng, it will take like 3 hours or 4 hours before it's active. So after you have done this, just leave it to take effect for some time. And when this, if there is any issue later, just come to this SSL and click on overview and make sure that this is changed to full. It was on full when we start doing everything, but later it changed to flexible. So but make sure that it is what? Changed to full. After you have changed it to full, come back to overview and click on purge cache. So when you click on purge cache, what you have changed will take effect immediately. Purge everything, then can you see? So that's all for that. So that is all for that. That's the simple step you can use to connect Cloudfare to your website or to any website and make it load more faster than before. Thank you.